There's a silence that feels strange right before your biggest breakthrough. But don't mistake it for emptiness. It isn't peace, it's pressure. It isn't stillness, it's recalibration. It feels like the money you prayed for is still out of reach, like the abundance you work toward is slipping away, like the universe itself has gone quiet. You feel drained, misunderstood, and at times almost ready to give up. But here's the truth: the moment of the greatest tension always comes right before the release. Just as the darkest night falls before sunrise, the universe amplifies pressure right before it delivers abundance. Your financial reality, your relationships, your inner state, they may feel chaotic, but that chaos is the clearing. The universe cannot bring you into alignment with wealth while you're still clinging to outdated vibrations. That's why this stage hurts, because it's the stretch before the shift, the energetic labor before the birth of your new reality. And once you know the signs, you'll stop seeing discomfort as punishment and start recognizing it as preparation. Here are 5 energy signs the universe is about to deliver your breakthrough, and why the pain is proof that your abundance is closer than ever. Sign 1. The things that once gave you comfort no longer satisfy you. The music, the scrolling, the conversations, even the hobbies that once made you feel alive suddenly feel empty. That's not depression. That's detachment. Right before your breakthrough, the universe strips away old comfort zones so you don't cling to them while stepping into your wealth frequency. Comfort is often the biggest enemy of financial growth. When you stay too long in good enough, you block yourself from the greatness waiting to come. It can feel confusing when what once made you happy now leaves you restless. But this emptiness is space being prepared. You are being emptied to be filled with something new. You are being positioned for wealth that matches your higher vibration. Sign 2. You feel alone even in a crowded room. You could be surrounded by friends, laughter, people who care. Yet something inside you feels isolated. That's not a breakdown, that's an upgrade. This is one of the clearest signs your frequency is moving to a new dimension. Isolation is not always abandonment. Sometimes it's elevation. Before a butterfly emerges, it separates itself from the world. Before wealth flows, energy first withdraws you from what no longer matches your vibration. You're not invisible. You're not forgotten. You're just being tuned to a frequency not everyone around you can hear. This sacred isolation is preparing you for people, opportunities, and money that resonate at your higher level. So instead of filling the silence with noise, sit with it. Let it amplify your inner voice. The stillness you feel now is the womb of your next breakthrough. Sign 3. Old wounds and hidden patterns rise to the surface. Right before your abundance unlocks, the universe doesn't just shift your outer reality, it transforms you. And transformation requires exposure. Your fears, your insecurities, your habits, your self-sabotage, suddenly they're magnified. This is not regression. This is revelation. The universe refuses to carry old blocks into your new chapter. If you've been holding guilt, fear of money, or doubts about your worth, they must surface so they can be healed. Yes, it feels messy, but this confrontation is not a curse. It's a cleansing. Because nothing is more powerful than a person who has faced their inner shadows and stepped out with wisdom. So if your emotions are rising, if your past is resurfacing, if your beliefs about money are being tested, take heart. You are not collapsing. You are being refined into the version of yourself that wealth cannot ignore. Sign 4. Everything around you feels like it's falling apart. The job disappears. The relationship crumbles. Opportunities dry up. It's like every area of your life unravels all at once. And the instinct is to panic. But the universe cannot build your breakthrough on a shaky foundation. Anything not aligned with your next frequency must collapse. That draining friendship, that job that kept you surviving but not thriving, none of it belongs in the chapter that's about to open. It's not destruction, it's demolition. And demolition always comes before rebuilding. Think of it this way. Before a strong new tower rises, unstable structures must be cleared. Your life works the same way. And yes, it hurts. But if you truly knew what was waiting for you, you'd understand why these walls are crashing down. You're not losing your life. You're losing the limits that kept you small. Every no and closed door is proof that the new foundation is being laid. So don't waste your energy fighting collapse. Let the old dissolve so the wealth that belongs to you can finally arrive. Sign 5. You feel an inner pull to let go. This one is the most mysterious. It comes as a quiet nudge in your spirit, a strange detachment. The people you thought you'd always need, the goals that once felt urgent, the routines that used to define you, they all start to feel less important. From the outside, nothing looks different, but inside your soul is withdrawing its energy from what no longer matches your frequency. This is not confusion. This is clarity. It's the universe whispering, "Stop holding on to what I've already asked you to release." Because you cannot receive new abundance with your hands clenched around old scarcity. Letting go is not weakness. It's sacred alignment. It's obedience to the higher flow of energy. Real transformation asks you to release before you see, to step into the unknown before you know the map. So if you feel detached, don't resist it. Trust it. That's the signal you're stepping into the wealth vibration you were always meant for. The closing flow. These 5 signs: emptiness where there was once comfort, isolation that feels unbearable, confrontation with your inner shadows, collapse of old foundations, and the deep urge to release, are not punishments. They are initiations. They mean you are closer than you've ever been. They mean the universe is preparing you for wealth, alignment, and freedom. They mean your frequency is recalibrating for the chapter you prayed for. So if you're hurting, if you're shedding, if you're feeling stripped bare, don't quit. Don't mislabel the preparation as punishment. This is the sacred stretch before the shift. And when it comes, it won't come slowly. It will arrive like a wave. Money, opportunities, connections, peace, clarity, all flowing to you not because you chased harder, but because you aligned deeper. The pressure you feel today is the doorway to your tomorrow. The silence you hear is the space where new energy is being written. And the surrender you're learning now is the exact key that will unlock everything you've been waiting for. Remember this: every breakdown is coded with the vibration of your breakthrough. Every silence is filled with the seeds of abundance. The universe has not forgotten you. It is organizing, aligning, and moving unseen forces in your favor. Wealth is not just coming to you, it is being prepared through you. When you surrender and allow this energy to flow, the opportunities you once chased will begin chasing you. This is the shift. From effort to magnetism, from struggle to flow, from hoping to knowing. Hold steady, because what is unfolding will exceed every expectation. So breathe. Trust the timing. Your breakthrough is not far away. It's already forming in the unseen. waiting for the moment you fully release the old and step into the frequency of the new.